My name is Edward, but you can call me Kuya Edward, and I will be your astronomer this morning. So, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating mismo show, ito meron lang akong mga reminders. 3 important reminders para po maganda ang ating show. Number 1, for those students at the back, please huwag po tayo sasandal sa ating go. Maliwanag? Bawal pong sumandal at bawal ding humiga. Maliwanag po ba? Parang wala namang narinig. Maliwanag po ba? Alright, very good. So, number 2, sino may mga dalang? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Quiet.
Alright, so that's enough for our introduction. So, dyan. Okay, so may tutulong sa inyo si Kuya Edward. Alam niyo ba ang zodiac sign? Alam niyo ang zodiac constellation? Yes, now let's take a look. Bakit ba tayo nagkakaroon ng zodiac sign? Alam niyo yung zodiac sign niyo? Okay, anong zodiac sign ni Kuya? Ito, si Kuya nito. Ay, si Ma'am na lang. Capricorn. Ano pong month ng birthday niyo, Ma'am? December, Capricorn. Okay, December 31, Capricorn. Let's take a look at the December 31. Saan po ba ang ating December? Nandun po ang ating December. Sa eastern part.
Sagittarius.
Yan, si Capricornus or Capricorn. So, ang birthday po ni teacher ay December 31. So, ibig sabihin, almost January. Yan. So, makikita nyo na ang ating sunod na constellation after that December to January is, anong basa ito? Asan kaya si Sun? Ayun, si Sun. At anong buwan ngayon? May. Ibig sabihin, sa panahon ng buwan ng May, ang ating Sun ay dumadaan sa constellation na Aries papuntang Taurus. Para sa buwan ni Ma'am na December 31 to January, kapag ang ating Sun ay pag ang ating panahon ay tumugtong ng December to January, ang ating Sun ay dadaan sa solar system. Ilan? 7 daw eh. Yes, we only have 8. Kasi before, we considered Pluto, pero tinanggal na po siya dahil isa na siya dwarf planet. So let's take a look at Saturn, one of the most beautiful planet in our solar system. Let's take a look at Saturn. Yan. Okay. So ganyan po talaga ang itsura ni Saturn. Even with the telescope, ganyan po ang itsura niya talaga. Si Saturn ay composed of gases. However, ang kanyang rings ay composed of ice or mga rocks. Yes, that's correct. At dust particles. So mapapansin nyo si Saturn, meron siyang mga bato pero nandun lamang siya sa kanyang rings. At alam niyo ba si Saturn, sobrang dense niya? Ibig sabihin ito.
good time, having a ball. Stop me now if you wanna have a good time. Just give me a call. Stop me now, good time. Stop me now, good time. I don't wanna stop at all.
Alright, and that's the end of our show. Thank you so much, everyone. We will now proceed to our next station. That's all for today. Thank you, everyone.